Yo, what's up, guys? January 2023, kicking off the new year here. We're going to be sharing each one of our shop project cars and where we're at with them. Today we're going to start off with our most recently finished Nothelle Golf from 2022. We wrapped that project up for the East Coast Mk3 meet, and we're going to give some insight into the project of what's been done and what still needs to be done, because finished is a strong word. January of 2023, had this car 1 year next month. Right now I'm going to go through the changes that we've made over the year. So this is our most recently finished project. It's a 98 Golf GTI Vr6. And as far as rare Mk3 parts go, these wheels, the only pictures that come up on Google is this actual set that I own. They're a little dirty right now. So I bought those in 2018 from my good friend Dirty South Joe. The caps were next. I bought those from Big Mike in New York. One of the main pieces to the puzzle here has been this Nothelle Evo 1 Masky. with rare parts this rare, most people just have them sitting on the shelf. This is the Nothelle hex spoiler. We put that on a Gulf CL hatch, very plain, no upper spoiler at all. And we added the Nothelle spoiler. Inside here, we've got the super rare flat bottom wheel with the correct horn button. It's a Nardi made wheel. We've got the correct logo shift ball